હમ. ક્લાસ સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયો છે. હા. Good morning, all of you. Hello. Am I audible clearly? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, please check waiting room.
Okay, just hold on. This is for bio group students, okay?
सर
Yes.
हमारी ये जो 26 एग्जाम हो रही है ना उसका सिलेबस क्या है फिजिक्स का?
इसका सिलेबस आपको मंडे को मिल जाएगा फॉर ऑल सब्जेक्ट.
ओके सर.
It's going to be 3, 4 and 5.
ओके सर.
So today audio, video both are fine.
Yes.
The problem we faced yesterday was from Airtel upload speed was very less. Okay, let us start. You can see the notebook.
Yes, sir.
Have you talked about angular speed earlier? Do you know about linear speed? Hello, I asked a question. Do we know about linear speed? What was the formula? That's a velocity. You can see the notebook page.
Yes, sir.
So velocity का formula क्या था? Linear velocity equal to was it linear displacement divided by time? Right or wrong?
Right.
Is my voice cracking or it is fine?
Fine.
आप लोगों ने चाय नाश्ता करके बैठे हो कि खाली पेट?
चाय नाश्ता करके बैठे हैं।
ओके, तो थोड़ा बोलते रहना. ये linear velocity जगह now I'm introducing new word, angular velocity. मान लो this is a disk. It's a solid disk. This is the rotational axis. Your particle was at P. The disk was rotating. Which direction should we call it? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Hello? Anti-clockwise. Okay. So here time was T. After a while, particle came to P dash. Time is now T equal to T plus delta T. Meaning क्या हुआ? What does it mean? T equal to T equal to T plus delta T. What does it mean? Is it the same time or a time which is later on? Hello? Am I not audible to you? Is it the same time? Just hold on. Your loudness is. Okay, now answer. So the later on instant is the new position P dash and radius vector increased by delta theta. So shall I say delta theta is nothing but angular displacement and delta t is time interval. In this case,
Sir,
it was
infinitesimally small time interval.
no, right now it is big enough. I will come to infinitesimally small now. In previous case, we have studied delta x by delta t, and that gave us average velocity v. So here if I take, this was linear displacement by time. Now we take angular displacement by time. Then it should give me omega. This we called average angular velocity. What do we call it?
Average angular velocity.
Yeah.
So your screen has freezed.
Is it?
No, sir.
Now it is seen clearly. There might be a delay.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. उसको एवरेज क्यों बोला इसको? Why average?
Sure, because it is because the total angular displacement is divided by total time interval. So it is termed as average angular velocity.
Okay. We can other way in simple word. We are not selecting instant of time. We have got an interval of time. So what we get is average value. Okay. And how to make it instantaneous?
Sir, you are not audible.
So your voice is breaking.
Just hold on. It came on my display also. Now audible? Screen is frozen. If I'm audible, just all of you hold on. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Audible now?
Yes, sir.
So your
Okay, you can see, read now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to convert average into instantaneous?
putting a derivative,
Derivative. Okay, make it
multiplying
still.
it by d, sir.
Okay. Not exact, not perfect.
Sir, means we have to limit it to 0. Means make it
हाँ,
infinitesimally small.
this is perfect. Taking limit delta t tends to 0. Now इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? What does it mean?
सर मतलब हमें उसे एकदम स्मॉल कर देना है सर, बहुत स्मॉल, इनफाइनिटली स्मॉल कर देना है सर.
This duration which is large
उसकी वैल्यू
is made very, very small. So in denominator, we now will write dt. Small, such a small duration of time that better we label it as an instant of time. Now in small interval of time, angular displacement is also very small, d theta. And now we'll get omega. So this is instantaneous value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
yes.
सर इंस्टेंटेनियस और सर एंगुलर वेलोसिटी डायमेंशनलेस होती है.
No. Radian per second is its unit.
ओके सर.
Okay. We have got one formula, omega equal to d theta by dt, and we'll call it angular speed. Can I have another formula for that? Let's say particle was here. This is O, center. The distance is r, and now it follows this circular path and comes back. Do you get it? So is this particle P is on a linear journey or circular journey?
Circular.
Circular, okay. So it will have angular speed. तो उसका angular speed कितना होगा? Angular speed, let's say omega. ये omega find करना है. कितना होगा? Okay. How to go about that?
डी थीटा बाय dt.
वो तो already है ही हमारे पास. We want one more variation. Okay. इसको मैं एक रेफरेंस लाइन मान लेता हूं. पार्टिकल जब यहां पर था तो वैसे एंगल मेड by its position vector with the reference line. The pen is the reference line now. It is 0. Then it comes, particle P comes here.
0 डिग्री सर.
And now in this new case, what is the angle?
90 डिग्री.
90 degree. Then here, shall I say 180?
180 डिग्री.
Yes.
180. And now
270.
270. And now
360.
360 degree.
360 degree.
Okay, now whatever your answers were there is in terms of degrees. Now speak in terms of radian. Here 0 radian. How many radian now? What is
90.
angular displacement? Pi by 2 radian. 90 degree is correct, but I want that to be converted into radian. So in terms of radian, your answer should be pi by 2 radian. Then it rotates further. Now, shall I say it is pi radian? Yes or no?
Yes sir, pi radian.
And then now,
3 pi by 2 radian.
and now,
2
2 pi. Remember, pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 1 pi. One more pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and back to the same place. So, shall I write in one rotation, delta theta is nothing but 2 pi radian. Okay. And delta t is nothing but time taken for one revolution. And for that we use a symbol t. उसका दूसरा नाम है periodic time. ठीक है? Now we had this formula omega equal to delta theta by delta t or d theta by dt. So instead of d theta you can write 2 pi because angular displacement is 2 pi radian and time is t second. So omega equal to 2 pi by t radian per second. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know relation between periodic time and frequency? This is symbol of frequency. Do you know that? Number of
Yes, sir. Because of
revolutions per second or number of oscillations per second. It was there in 9th standard, if you remember. Just hold on. Huh? नमस्ते प्रभु. नमस्ते. गुड मॉर्निंग. ना बोलिए बोलिए सर. I don't have any idea sir. ये वो जो ग्रुप में आया है ना, उर्मी मैडम शायद कर रहे हैं. हाँ, I don't have clear idea. Welcome sir. Okay. और दूसरा है t equal to
sir,
yeah, waiting list. Any question?
maximum time period होगा ना?
Repeat.
सर फ्रीक्वेंसी तो 1 upon टाइम पीरियड होगा ना?
हाँ, कैसे होगा? So what you are saying is correct. Just hold on. Let me focus camera. कोई कॉल आके जाता है तो फोकस ऑटो फोकस मोड में से चला जाता है. ओके. इन दोनों के बीच में कनेक्शन क्या है? व्हाट इज रिलेशन? तो म्यू इक्वल टू 1 by t लिखते हैं. माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई? मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट बी नोइंग कि इट इज 1 by t. सिंपल है. If time is t second, how many number of revolutions would be there? Shall I say 1? Because that's what we called t second में एक revolution खत्म होता है, तो एक second में कितना revolutions होंगे? So this is going to be 1 into 1 by t. It is 1 by t. And this is nothing but number of revolutions per second. लेकिन उसको शॉर्ट में बोलते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल टू 1 by t. फ्रीक्वेंसी का सिंबल है म्यू, सो म्यू इक्वल टू 1 by t. डू यू गेट दिस?
Sir.
So I'm repeating it. Mu stands for frequency. Frequency in this case means number of revolutions per second. One more symbol we had today, it is periodic time. Okay. What is relation? Already known, mu equal to 1 by t. Why is it so? So if you select this kind of ratio, cross multiplication, in t second you can get 1 revolution. Then in 1 second how many? Answer is 1 into 1 by t, in short 1 by t. And now number of revolutions per second is nothing but frequency. And frequency symbol is mu. So mu equal to 1 by t. Are you getting it? And unit of mu is 1 by second. You can also write second inverse, or also you can write Hz, hertz. Okay, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Have you derived relation between V and omega derive किया है?
No, sir.
No. पार्टिकल इस ट्रेजेक्टरी पे मूव हो रहा था. दिस इज सेंटर, P से लेके P डैश तक आया. So this is the path on which it has moved. Okay. शुरू में this was the position vector. Later on it was in this. An angle swept is delta theta. Your time was t, and this is t plus delta t. Okay, do you get it? So still it is circular motion only. Object is moving on this circular path. Now if I ask you,
Sir,
yes,
sir, omega.
omega,
Sir, do we have to rejoin or 40 minutes class?
40 minutes class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, there you are saying something. Okay, let's
Sir, I
proceed.
was saying
Excuse me,
that
sir,
omega
sir.
is equal to V.
Your sound is cracking there.
Sir, I sent you one doubt via WhatsApp.
Sir, that was not me.
Today
that
or
was Jay.
earlier?
Sir, earlier. Sir, shall I send it again?
It was about that projectile motion
Yes, sir, about projectile motion.
at some angle, slope. You have to find the range at some angle instead of along the horizontal. Am I right? I remember I saw it.
Sir, I sent it again.
Okay, fine, good. Okay, let's complete this before the meeting gets over. इसका average speed find करना हो.
Sir, now am I audible?
Yeah, audible. So average speed equal to distance divided by time, right? Now distance, shall I write? It is nothing but arc pp dash and time is delta t. This is the distance traveled, no? So average velocity equal to arc pp dash by time, delta t. Any doubt, any question?
No,
No,
sir.
Okay. Now we know that WKT means we know that arc is always radius times angle. So here in our case arc pp dash equal to radius, let's say it is r, capital R is the radius of the circular path, and angle is delta theta. So here what I'll do, therefore average speed equal to R into delta theta upon delta t. Okay, sir? Therefore V equal to, shall I write R into delta theta by delta t? Perfectly legal.
Yes, sir.
Equal to R. Shall I write average angular speed omega? Remember delta theta by delta t is
Yes.
omega.
Sir. Yes.
So we got V and omega, but they are in average form. We want instantaneous value. So what to do then? You have got this formula. Average speed equal to R into omega. So here we'll do simple step, taking limit delta t tends to 0, then average value becomes instantaneous R omega. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Okay, this is it for today. Okay, I wanted to make up that loss which happened yesterday. That is compensated. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you don't have any question, I'll wind up. Okay.